How to see Messenger Stories. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see Messenger Stories. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, then what you can do is simply look for the stories rows which you can find on the top of the chat. But if you haven't found one, then what you can do is just tap on the stories option which you can see at the bottom. And now here, once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the storage section. Now from here, you can simply scroll down to view the stories, and once you found that, you can simply tap on it to view the story. And that's it. That's how you can see Messenger stories. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.